Unveiling the vision of Cryptic Odyssey, a journey into the heart of creativity and community. Welcome to the enigmatic world of Cryptic Odyssey, where adventures into the unknown unfold with each passing moment. Here, we transcend the ordinary, venturing into the marvels of creativity and the warmth of community. Your guide, the Cryptic Navigator, is prepared to lead you through this mysterious voyage. Imagine a place where anonymity reigns, allowing our true selves to emerge without the constraints of judgment. Here, faces are concealed, but our voices and passions resonate louder, echoing through the realms of our boundless community. This is the essence of Cryptic Odyssey. Today marks the beginning of an extraordinary journey, as we unveil the vision that propels us forward. Picture a collective of masked individuals, each bringing their own unique spark, igniting the flames of creativity and companionship. This is the heartbeat of our mission. Within our community, every voice finds its echo, every dream sees the dawn. Our masks serve not to hide, but to highlight the diverse tapestry of thoughts and ideas that weave together to form Cryptic Odyssey. It's a sanctuary for the mind and spirit. We're not just creating a space, we're cultivating a movement. A revolution where anonymity and creativity fuel a deeper connection, breaking down walls and building bridges instead. Here, every story, every journey, is intertwined. Join us as we step into the unknown, embracing the mysteries that await with open arms and masked faces. Let's build this vision together, where every hidden corner of creativity is explored, and every whispered dream is amplified. So, to my fellow travelers and seekers of the unknown, the time has come. Let's embark on this journey, not just as individuals, but as a united community under the banner of Cryptic Odyssey. Together, we are unstoppable, unbreakable, and undeniably cryptic.